Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your email address on Spotify. Really easy to do, just takes about a minute. Unfortunately, you cannot do this on the application on your phone. You do have to go to the website version of Spotify to do this. So you're just going to head over to your web browser, doesn't matter which one that it is, and you just want to head over to spotify.com. Once you're on Spotify, you just want to click on login or on the three lines and click on login if you haven't already. But once you have logged in, you can come back to the main screen here and just go back to the lines and click on account. And then once you do that, you can click on this little drop down menu, account overview. And then you just want to click on edit profile. And then just at the top here, you can see the email address that you have. So you can just get rid of it here and just put your new email in. So let's type mine in here. And then once you have done it, you can just click on, oops, let's do this. So you just have to put your email in there and then just go down to save profile. Click on save profile. And then as you can see, profile has been saved and your email is now complete. One thing I will recommend is going to your email right away and confirming your email just so you don't have any account issues. But other than that, I really hope I was able to help you guys out. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.